In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix DHgate Payment Verification. If your payment is stuck in verification, start by giving it a little time. Many checks clear automatically on their own. Wait 24 to 48 hours and keep an eye on your account by opening My Orders and looking under Order Status. Avoid clicking Pay again and again while you wait. Repeated attempts can create new flags and slow everything down. While you're waiting, check your email, including spam and promotions folders. DHgate may have asked for something simple, like ID verification, a quick card authorization, or a confirmation that you made the purchase. Follow the instructions exactly as written, and make sure you reply from the same email address that's linked to your DHgate account so their system can match your response to the order. Next, contact your bank through the number on the back of your card or through secure messaging. Tell them you're authorizing a purchase with DHgate, and ask them to confirm the transaction isn't being blocked. Also verify that international and online purchases are enabled for your card. If your bank can add a note or whitelist DHgate, request it to prevent future declines. If verification still fails, retry the payment using a different method. A different debit or credit card can do the trick, and PayPal often has the highest success rate on the platform. Steer clear of virtual or prepaid cards, which are frequently rejected. When you retry, use the same device and internet connection you used before to keep your digital footprint consistent. Make sure you're not on a VPN or proxy. Turn it off and connect through a stable Wi-Fi network or your mobile data and log in from one location only. Frequent IP or location changes are a common reason payments get flagged. Double check that your billing information matches your card records exactly. Confirm the name on the card, the full billing address, and the zip or postal code. Even minor differences like abbreviations or missing apartment numbers can trigger a review. If DHgate requests documents, upload them through the official verification page only. Provide a government ID front side unless they ask otherwise, and card proof with the middle digits covered. Include any authorization form they provide and make sure images are clear and readable. Finally, if nothing moves after 48 hours, contact DHgate support. Go to the Help Center, choose Payment Issue, and submit a ticket with your order number, a screenshot of the error, and the payment method you used. They typically respond within 1 to 3 business days.